Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering off and detaching the ear cushion. This exposes the retaining rim and first clips. Use a plastic spudger to pry at the seam where the cup meets the housing, because metal tools can damage plastic snaps. Once you see screws, remove them with a small Phillips and place each screw in a labeled spot to avoid confusion later. Make sure to document where each piece came from by taking a quick photo before proceeding. Once the housing halves separate, pause and survey the internals so you understand how parts connect. You should disconnect the battery first to prevent shorts. Gently unplug any ribbon cables using a spudger because they tear easily. Then remove foam and adhesive securing the driver. Unscrew mounting points while noting the positive and negative wire routing. Make sure to keep screws and small parts grouped by function so reassembly is straightforward, and you avoid stressing flex cables during removal. You finish by gently lifting out the battery, speaker driver, and PCB, taking care not to flex boards or pull traces. This prevents hidden damage. Clean old adhesive with isopropyl and replace pads to preserve fit. When reassembling, route wires exactly as before and tighten screws snugly, not over tight. If the headset fails to power, make sure connectors are fully seated, then test battery voltage and continuity with a
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.